Bonjour les amis! Today we're going to try something a bit tricky, multiplying by 6. So let's try 6 times 6. Now that's pretty tricky to figure out. But you know what? I have something from a previous video that's going to help us. I know that 3 times 6 is 18. So I'm going to write that up here. 3 times 6 equals 18. But I need to know how many times it is by 6. So I'm going to do it again. 3 times 6 equals 18. So 3 times plus 3 times is 6 times. And then 6 equals 18. Well, that's pretty easy. 8 plus 8 is 16. And then 36. So 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 fois 6 égale 36. So we can even get the tricky multiplication questions now.